Imagine running an AI news channel that pulls in thousands of views and earns hundreds, even thousands of dollars every month. Sounds amazing, right? Well, here's the good news. I'm about to show you how you can easily create your own news channel using AI. And the best part? This works for any type of news, not just tech. Let's make this dream a reality, step by step. Step 1. Find your news topic. Start by identifying the news topic you want to cover. A quick search on platforms like Google News will give you trending stories tailored to your niche. For example, let's say you're covering tech news. Look for an article that resonates with your audience and copy and paste it on a notepad, or you can paste it on ChatGPT to concise this. Step 2. Use Rendora AI to generate a script. Head over to the Rendora website. Sign up and explore the available studio options. You'll find templates like news studios, stages, and more, perfect for faceless YouTube content, whether it's tutorials, reviews, or news updates. Rendora's studio library makes it easy to find the right setting for your video, all from your computer. Step 3. Setting up your avatar. Next, let's set up your on-screen persona. Rendora lets you create lifelike avatars that can speak and perform actions, adding a unique touch to your videos. Customize your avatar's look, hair, clothing, facial expressions to reflect your channel's vibe. Take your time here to make it just right. Step 4. Creating the content now. It's time to create your content. Paste the script for your avatar to deliver. If you're creating a news-style channel, keep your tone informative but relatable. Once you've got your script, simply enter it into Rendora, and the AI will generate natural-sounding speech with synchronized lip syncing. You can even adjust the pacing and expressions to make it sound just right. Step 5. Studio selection. Rendora offers a variety of studios to fit your content best. Each studio comes with professional lighting and camera angles, so no need for a complex setup or editing. Step 6. Enhancing your video. To make your video more engaging, you can add text overlays, graphics, or even charts. Rendora has built-in options, but you can also import your own visuals for a personalized touch. For a news channel, display key information or fun facts in a banner to keep viewers hooked. Step 7. Rendering and uploading. Once everything's set, it's time to render. Rendora processes your video in minutes, giving you a high-quality 3D video without the hassle of traditional rendering software. Download it and you're done. Let's watch the result.
Good morning, I'm Tiffany, and welcome to the AI TLDR show. Here's something interesting from Meta. Imagine AI creating random images to represent you online instead of your usual profile photo. Sounds creative, right? Meta says this new tool is all about giving users unique, anonymous visuals to express themselves. But not everyone's on board. Some are worried. Where's the line between fun and privacy? Is our data really safe? Or is this just another way to use our info? Meta promises it's a step towards safer, more personalized online spaces.
Ready to create your news content? Try Rendora AI today and experience the magic of effortless content creation. And hey, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments what you'll create with Rendora.